AI background remover. You have got a great photo, but the background is a mess. You could spend 20 minutes in Photoshop or let AI do it in 10 seconds. But which AI tool does it best? We tested many AI background remover tool and chooses top 5 for you. We used 3 test images: a person, an object with tricky edges, and a fish underwater. That last one is genuinely hard. We judge every tool based on speed, accuracy, and whether it can change background also. We have written a full comparison article on AlloyPress website. We keep it constantly updated, so bookmark it. Link is in description. Alright, let's get into the tools. First up, Reve AI. Drag and drop your images and just one click, and the background gone in just 10 seconds. Our first 2 images came out perfect. The fish had a tiny tail clip, but nothing major. But a second attempt with right prompt fixed it. But here is where Reve gets interesting. The background changer. Type a prompt like sunset beach and it generates a new scene behind the subject. Set it to custom with image count 8 and you get 8 different variation in just one click. Quick heads up, it can slightly change your face when you change the background. Just add keep the face as it is, so it will keep it perfectly. It's free with a creative energy system. Use it, wait for about 3 hours for a refill and use it again. Tool 2, Manus AI. This is more of an all-in-one platform. Image generation, video, upscaling, slides, and background remover is just a one piece. You can use one-click removal button on generated images or upload your image and just type remove background. There is also a edit canvas for drag and drop. Speed is about 30 to 40 seconds, which is slower than Reve. All 3 test images came out clean and consistent, but the third image has a minor issue. The background changer is where Manus flexes. Prompt-based natural blending, and here is the kicker. It supports up to 8K resolution output. We tested with a real human photo and it didn't alter at all. The first attempt itself impressive. We get 300 free credits daily. The background removal cost about 17 credits. So roughly 17 images free per day. If you want one platform that does everything, Manus is a strong pick. Number 3, Adobe Express. This is the fastest tool we tested. Just under 5 seconds, that's it. And the accuracy, even the fish image which feels complex for other tools was impressive here. Clean edges and details preserved. You can tell Adobe's years of image experience is backed into this AI tool. But for background changing, it is different from Reve and Manus. No prompt-based generation here. You get template, gradient and solid colors. Less creative but simple and fast. We tested it with a real face and it kept the face identical, no distortion. Free tier has limited removal. Prefer paid plan if you want more. If speed and accuracy are your top priorities, Adobe Express is hard to beat. Tool 4, Removal.ai. This is a dedicated background remover. Just drag and drop, done. A transparent PNG image will generate it in second. Here second and third test image were clean, but first image has some issues. Similar to what we saw with other tools on complex scenes. Here background changer exists but limited. Fewer templates, output come in square format regardless of your original image. And the free account get lower quality. If you just need quick transparent PNGs and nothing fancy, Removal.ai gets the job done. And finally, everyone asked about ChatGPT. Can it remove background? Yes. First problem, speed is 3 to 4 minutes while other tools are removed in seconds. The next bigger problem, it changes face. The output look AI generated kind of cartoon like. We even prompted keep the face 100% original, but it didn't follow the instruction. So for object and non-human images, it does the good job. Skip this for human related background removal. ChatGPT is good at many things. Background removal is just one of them. Alright, here is the bottom line. 5 tools, same image, real result. Fastest, Adobe Express. Just under 5 seconds and it handled the hardest image perfectly. Best background changer, Reve AI. Those 8 variants from one prompt are unmatched. Best all-in-one platform, Manus AI. Consistent quality, 8K output and 300 free daily credits. Quick and simple transparent PNG, Removal.ai. No frill, just get it done. And ChatGPT, use it for object, skip it for people. Every tool has a free trial, so feel free to try it. Now AI tools change fast. Pricing update, new feature updates, even some tools fall off. That's why we keep our AlloyPress article constantly updated. If any changes, the video goes live. We try our best to keep the article updated. Link in description, just bookmark it. So which one you are going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you discover a tool we should add in the list, drop that in comment as well. We actually read them and update it based on your feedback. If this saved time, hit like and subscribe. We publish video every week about AI. Stay connected. I am Abdullah from AlloyPress. I will see you in the next video. Stay cool, stay smile.